Welcome to Auto Show Cars. Today, we delve into the exquisite details of the Mansory 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan, a masterpiece that redefines luxury and performance. Mansory's artisans have meticulously reshaped the Cullinan's front end. The enlarged air intakes, paired with a carbon fiber bonnet, bestow a more dynamic and commanding presence. Notice the reimagined daytime running lights, extending into the front apron and converging towards the center, complemented by an internally illuminated radiator grille, creating a mesmerizing visage, especially under the night sky. The vehicle's silhouette has been elegantly elongated with newly designed side skirts and flaps on the wheel arches. These enhancements not only streamline airflow but also impart a lowered, more stretched appearance, elevating the Cullinan's stately demeanor. At the rear, an artfully crafted spoiler lip adorns the tailgate, working in harmony with the revamped rear apron to reduce lift forces, ensuring stability at higher speeds. As with all Mansory creations, these components are fashioned from premium carbon fiber, available in various finishes to suit individual tastes. Grounding this majestic SUV are 24-inch, FD.15 inches forged rims, engineered from special aluminum alloys. These lightweight wheels are designed to handle increased speeds and substantial loads, wrapped in high-performance 295/30ths R24 tires for optimal grip and handling. Step inside, and you're enveloped in an oasis of luxury. The cabin is adorned with the finest automotive leather, tailored to perfection. High-gloss polished surfaces and carbon fiber accents grace the cockpit, seamlessly complementing the intricately quilted seats. Every detail, from the embroidered Mansory insignia to the ambient lighting in the roof liner and door panels, coalesces to create an ambiance of unparalleled sophistication. Beneath the bonnet lies a heart transformed. Mansory's performance upgrade elevates the 6.75-liter V12 engine to a formidable 720 horsepower and 1,050 Nm of torque. This power surge propels the Cullinan from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.8 seconds, while the electronically limited top speed remains at 250 km/h. The enhanced performance is achieved through meticulous engine management modifications in a high-performance sports exhaust system, available in two distinctive configurations to cater to discerning preferences. In essence, the Mansory 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan is not merely an SUV, it's a symphony of luxury, design, and engineering prowess. It stands as a testament to Mansory's unwavering commitment to automotive excellence, offering a driving experience that transcends the ordinary.